Hey Tech Fam! Are you rocking the new Galaxy S24 Ultra? Feeling like you've mastered its every secret? Well, hold on to your spacesuits because today, we're blasting off into uncharted territory. Buckle up as we reveal hidden features of the S24 Ultra that Samsung never officially mentioned. That's right, folks. We're talking features so secret they're classified as level 10 ninja tech. Features that will turn your S24 Ultra into a productivity powerhouse, a multimedia mastermind, and maybe even a telepathic communicator. Okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the point. The force is strong with this one. Did you know your S Pen has hidden Jedi powers? No, seriously. Tap the button twice while hovering over text and watch it magically translate languages in real time. Perfect for globetrotting or deciphering those cryptic Instagram captions. Your phone, your personal assistant. Tired of fiddling with settings? Activate Bixby's contextual actions in labs. Now, simply raise your phone and whisper a command, like turn on flashlight or open camera. Your S24 Ultra becomes your own pocket-sized butler. Game on, level up. Gamers, listen up. The S24 Ultra hides a secret game booster mode. Access it through Game Launcher and unleash enhanced processing power and optimized graphics for buttery smooth gameplay. Your opponents will be toast. The camera whisperer. Photography enthusiasts, gather around. Did you know you can fine-tune camera settings beyond the Pro Mode interface? Access the Expert RAW option in Labs and unlock manual controls for aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Unleash your inner Ansel Adams. Sharing is caring, but not your passwords. Security first, friends. Activate Private Share to send photos and videos with an auto-deletion timer. The recipient can view them once and then poof, they're gone forever. Perfect for sending funny memes without worrying about screenshots. The Easter egg hunt feeling adventurous? There's an Easter egg hidden within the One UI settings. Find it and unlock a secret theme that personalizes your phone like never before. We won't spoil the surprise, but let's just say it involves adorable robots. So there you have it, folks. Just a taste of the hidden potential within your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Remember, exploration is key. Keep digging, keep experimenting, and unlock the true power of your tech. And hey, if you discover any other hidden gems, share them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and may the Force... Oh wait, wrong franchise. Until next time, peace out.